In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Cobra Trading in Tradingview. Let's get started right from the Tradingview chart, since that's where you'll actually be placing and managing your trades. Go ahead and open Tradingview in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're looking at any chart. It doesn't matter which symbol you're on for this setup. The important part is that you're on the main chart interface, not on a watch list only or ideas page. Once your chart is open and loaded, you're ready to move on. Now, look towards the bottom of the screen for the trading panel. This is the section Tradingview uses to connect to different brokers and paper trading accounts. If you don't see it right away, it's usually in a tab next to things like the strategy tester. Click on the trading panel tab to expand it. When it opens, you'll see a row of broker logos and options that Tradingview supports directly. By default, Tradingview might only show a few popular brokers in that panel. To access the full list, you'll want to click on the option that says Show All Brokers. This expands the broker catalog and ensures that Cobra Trading appears, even if it isn't listed in the initial shortened view. This step is important because otherwise you might think your broker isn't supported when it actually is. Once the full list is visible, it's time to look for Cobra Trading. You can scroll through the list manually, but to save time, check if there's a search bar at the top of the panel. If there is, type Cobra Trading into that search field to filter the results. Make sure you select the correct broker name and logo so you're connecting to the real Cobra Trading integration provided by Tradingview. When you see Cobra Trading in the list, click on it. This tells Tradingview that you want to set up a connection specifically with that broker. After clicking, a small window or panel will usually pop up with more details about the integration, along with options like settings, information, and a connection button. In that window, click on Connect. Tradingview will then open a secure login prompt or redirect you to the broker's authentication page. From there, you simply log in with your Cobra Trading account credentials and authorize Tradingview to connect. After the connection is confirmed, you'll be able to place trades, manage orders, and see your positions directly from the Tradingview chart using your Cobra Trading account.